Stop doing this right now. If you know someone who does this, cracking knuckles doesn't only harm the joints but affects the whole body. It results in reduced grip strength, swollen hands, and increased risk of dislocation. It makes the joint hypermobile, increases the wear and tear of the joint, and loses its optimum state. Instead, do basic stretching to any particular joint. I'm Mahi Gupta. Until next time, live natural, feel better.